Hey guys, today we're making this delicious Oreo ice cream. This ice cream is just amazing and is so simple to make and is perfect for this weather. It's so amazing and super delicious. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding the cream to a mixing bowl and make sure your cream is cold so it can whip up nicely. Then you're going to work this up with your electric mixer until it reaches stiff peaks. Now I did switch to using a bigger bowl here and that made it easier to whip up. Once it reaches stiff peaks, you can stop mixing and then you're going to add in your condensed milk. You can add all of it in here. Once that's in, you can mix this once again with your electric mixer until well combined. Once that's well mixed in, you can stop mixing and then add in your Oreo crumbs. Now for this you can crush up your Oreos or you could just use some crushed up Oreos from the store. Add in about half a cup of this, but you could adjust this to however much you want, and then just mix this in. Once that's mixed in, you can add in some Oreo pieces just to give your ice cream some texture, and then just fold that in. Once that's in, you can pour this mixture into your container. And here I've added about half of it, and then I'm adding in some Oreo pieces. Then you can add in the second half of your mixture. Then you can smooth out the top and then decorate however you wish. Here I'm just adding in some more Oreo pieces for a pretty presentation. Once that's done, you can cover it with some plastic wrap and then freeze this for around 4 to 6 hours or until frozen solid. Then you can scoop this once it's softened a little bit so it scoops well. And then place it in your dessert bowl. And then you can decorate however you like. Here I'm just adding in 2 pieces of Oreo. And a nice touch to it would be some Nutella. So just drizzle on some Nutella. This Oreo ice cream is super delicious and is just amazing. It's so easy to make and is the perfect dessert for this hot weather. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.